All right, good morning, everybody. It is November 23rd. So I wasn't going to be able to trade this week, but I was supposed to be out of town, but some plans got changed. So I'll be able to trade at least today. So that'll be awesome. And then, yeah, we had our swing trade pick that was sent out about a week ago is starting to do pretty awesome with Tesla. Thing is really getting on the move. Hopefully it'll hit its target today. We can be out of that. But let's look at, and same thing with Roku, actually. Roku is another swing trade we have on deck right now. It's already been in play. That sent out last week. Whoa, look at that boost. Nice move up today. So that one we may be close to our target today, if not tomorrow, which would be pretty sweet. Where is that target? Right, pretty much right there. So, yeah, right here. So we're almost there. We're almost there. We're getting there. But anyway, so let's look at the log. So last week was a little bit of a rough week. We had that one really bad day where just pretty much every trade was a loser. You know, and you have those days, and that's why I teach when you're doing risk management over at 2020daytrader.com that you gotta plan for those bad days like that so you can be able to withstand them. Bad days, bad weeks, and bad months, because they do happen, and that happened to us on a day last week. So this scaling ladder went way down, almost all the way back to the beginning, and now we're on our way back up. We got 7 as a placeholder there, and a little bit of cash there. So we'll see if we can fill in a few blocks today and get this going back up here. I expect the market to be slow this week, but we shall see. All right, everybody, we'll see what happens today. All right, so we got CVS here's a trade set up. I don't know if I want to take it, though, because of this tower candle. I don't like these. So I'm probably going to skip CVS because this is a pretty significant tower candle. So I probably will not trade CVS. We'll see. We'll see how this candle closes in a few minutes. And then NUG is not shortable right now, so that one's off the board unless it has for the modified play anyway. CVS, I'm looking at it as a modified play. See, now this is more like it. So if it does that to me, I might trade it. So what are we looking at here? 66.87. We would be getting in right here 66.63, so 87.63, so roughly 25 cents, something like that. All right, cool. So I'm going to pull up the calculator real quick. Whoa, slow down. There we go. So around 25 cents is what we're looking at. We'll double check this again here in a second. So 80 shares. We only want to lose 20 bucks roughly. So 80 shares. I do my risk reward by share size, not by where I put my stop. Okay, now this candle's looking much better to jump into. 66.92 to 67. Yeah, so we're in the ballpark there. So got about 2 minutes. Okay, cool. So CVS is on deck. Let's see what else we got going on over here. It looks like that's it. Just CVS. Yeah, just CVS right now. All right. So yeah, we might jump into CVS here. Perfect. Let's see if this is going to switch or not. It may not confirm, so not confirming anymore. It has to confirm. Have to, yeah, that's right, Miley. All right, so what do we got? Minute. 1 minute. We'll see what we get here. Man, Tesla's rocking. Go Tesla, go! Hit that target today. That'll be awesome. All right, got my other monitors. I'm getting distracted, getting excited about those other stocks. Look at Tesla running. So our target's 528 right now. So hopefully we can get that 528 target today or tomorrow. So I got my little one with me today, so hopefully I'll be able to trade. It won't be too crazy. And it looks like this is not going to confirm. We got 10 seconds left. I'm ready to short it if it does. Maybe it will. 4, all right, 3, 2, 1. Nope, I'm gonna need to see it confirm. Okay. Oh no. So it did not confirm, and I just jumped in short. So if it gives me a little bobble, I'm gonna get out. So where are we at? We are sort of in profits by $2. Let's just give it a second. That's right, Miley. Yeah. I'm gonna give it a second to give me a few dollars. Yeah. Yep. That's right. All right, so I'm going to move my stop now. Oops. All right, cool. So we're out. So we're out for $4 on that one. That was an accidental trade. If this triggers, then I'll jump into it. But that was an accidental trade, so I just got out. I could have tried to stay in. But that's why I put my I tried to put my stop where if it backed up, I would get out. Yes, Miley. I think it's gonna be one of those days, folks. I know I should have stayed in, right? Look at it dropping. I could have been making some money right there, but the algorithm didn't tell me to get in, so I was in the wrong trade. And I only want to trade when I have a proven probability of success, Miley. A proven statistical probability of success. I'm telling you, that's the best way to do it for me. But yep, you're right. Look at all that money we could have been making. Could have made some big money right there. That would have been sweet. So I put my stop. I didn't just hit the exit. I didn't just flatten the trade or jump out. I tried to put it in to where I could, if it wanted to run, then I would have that chance. But I put it too tight on the spread here. So that's what happened. All right, so it looks like we're going to get a switch now. When I just measured it a few moments ago, we still had about 25 cents. But when you see this kind of movement here, these massive tails on these candles like this, it's very very bullish. Look, now it's not even triggering anymore. Very, very bullish. So yeah, there we go. It didn't even trigger. Very, very, very bullish when you see that. So this could be a sign that CVS has decided it wants to go up. But man, if I would have held on for like 3 more seconds with that accidental trade, this could have been sweet. I could have had like a free $20. But you never know. So that's why if I get in by accident or something weird happens, it's best for me just to jump out, because just you never really know. All right, we'll hang out, see what else shows up here on the board. Okay, so we got our switch here. So 146.83 roughly to 145.43. So about $1.50, $1.60. I'll double check it in a second here. Let's just go up here and put in 1.6. So we're looking at 12 shares potentially, 13 shares. Let's double check that again. So 145.50. 146.83 roughly, yeah, so about $1.40. So 13 shares we'll end up shorting this on if this switch will hold here in the next 45 seconds. Okay, I got 3 seconds, 2, 1, and it looks like it's gonna hold, so we're shorting. All right, so we're in. Looks like we got a pretty good fill, hopefully. All right, traders, so there you go. So this is what I like about trading off an algorithm. It tells me when to get in, it gives me my stop, gives me my target. I'm able to set it, forget it, go outside, play with my daughter, come back to money. It's only $17.87 right now, but you know that money lets me bring up the scaling chart. So, and then let me make another green. So we'll take away 3 from the 7, so we'll have 4 left, and we'll bring this green one down. So as this scales up, you know, that $17 will turn into, you know, 700 and 1,000 and so forth. So, yeah, eventually I'll be able to set it and forget it, go outside, come back to $1,000 instead of $17. So, and again, for those of you who are new to the channel, this is just my YouTube channel, Family Rules. I don't trade my family account on here. My family doesn't want me to have any of that out there. So set up these accounts just for YouTube so that my students can see how the algorithm works, how I trade it, the rules involved, and the decisions that I make when I'm trading. So, you know, I'll grow this account. You'll never see this account get to $1,000 a trade, but I'll definitely grow it to where it's significant enough to understand it, and then we'll reset it back to $20 or so and then grow it again. And we'll just keep on recycling that so that students can see how that growth goes. And then club members, they get my full portfolio so they can, follow along and see how that goes exactly on a daily basis. But anyway, so there we go. So we got a winner in. I don't know if we're going to get any more trades. We'll see. There's a couple possibilities, but we'll have to see what happens. All right, everybody. So that's going to do it for me today. It is about 1 o'clock. So just clicking 1 o'clock right now. So my trading day, I usually try to be done by 12 or so. Nothing else is setting up on the board. So it looks like we're just going to have that one trade today. But yeah, so anyway, so recap on today. We only took that one trade, which was QCOM right here. So this is part of the modified play with the algorithm. And so yeah, so QCOM worked out to be pretty good. I didn't get to ride it all the way down here. I set it and forget it and headed out. I would have got stopped out right here anyway. I wouldn't have gone for this 2-to-1 ride. But there we go. So I didn't put proper position size in here, clearly. I ended up with only about $18 on it, 17, 18 bucks. So I missed about $2. So it's a little bit off on my calculation. The calculator is great, but if I tell it the risk is $1.40 and really it was $1.50 or $1.20, then it's going to give me the number, and it is what it is. So anyway, so there we go. So yeah, hope everybody has an awesome day, and maybe I'll be back tomorrow. Got a couple days this week, and then we got Thanksgiving. So we'll see what tomorrow brings. Maybe I'll be on here. Not positive just yet. But hope everybody has an awesome week. And if I don't talk to you before Thanksgiving, happy Thanksgiving. And we'll see you next week.